Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change passcode of iPhone, iPad, iPod and any iOS tools. Tap settings, scroll down, touch and passcode, enter your passcode. Okay, change passcode. We have to add your current passcode, then you can create a new passcode. Here we have passcode options. You can custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit numeric code, and maybe 6-digit numeric code. I just use 6-digit numeric code, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use anyway. This passcode can be easily guessed. It's okay. Use anyway. Verify your new passcode. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's done. Like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.